Daniel at the Assessment Toolbox here. Let's look at how to add a picture or image to your Google form. There are a few spots you can add it, and in this president's test I've been working on, I'm going to add one right here to the question, which president's not on Mount Rushmore, and I'm going to upload a picture. Look at all those options. If you do a Google image search, which you can right here, I just want to make sure you've got permission to use those, and so if this is commercial at all, you can't just pull from anywhere on the internet, but I'll show you a spot pretty soon that I like to pull from that gives permission. Otherwise, I'm going to upload right here because I've got a waiting picture of Mount Rushmore, which I've got permission to use. So that's going to be, it's just right there above the responses right there if you chose to have this picture. Preview is a great way to test out, do you like how this looks? Do you want it the full width? And if not, maybe I don't want it taking up so much room. I can just scale it back like that and then choose to center it. And let's take a look. I'm going to refresh this one now. I like that. I'm going to stick with that. That's number one. That's inserting a picture for the question. Now here's a funky little thing that you can do. You can actually insert an image for every response right here. So let's say you wanted to show, maybe this was for younger kids, and you wanted to show a picture of all of them as well. Well, I'm going to upload a picture. I've got one of George Washington ready to go. And I'm going to stick that in there. And let's watch this guy load and see what it looks like. Now, obviously, I would upload for all four of these so that it shows it equally, and it's not obvious that just one has that image. But let's take a look at what this might look like. I can go back here and refresh it. And then it's going to give me an image spot for each of those so you can see what it would look like. So that's a great way in the question responses. And so lastly, I've got a great tip for you. You can watch the full video here on how to customize your theme and change a header image up there. So click that video if you'd like. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more Google training videos for teachers just like this.